We work very, very closely with LandSkills to provide training for the industry, which has been under huge pressures in the last few years. And we have done a great deal of computer training, engineering in particular. And as we see here, this potted herb production unit is very technical, requires a high degree of maintenance, and we have trained quite a few of their engineers in basic engineering skills.
We need to train our staff and myself in the communication that we need to have in order to get jobs done properly, all the way up to the quality of the product and how we handle the product in order to get the best quality for the customer. We've used grow training for staff training, building team skills, crop control, looking at how a crop grows, how we manage the crop husbandry within the block, how we look after the pest and disease issues that we get in the block, all the way through to how we fill in an Excel spreadsheet or how we use a computer in order to record what we've done. And that all improves the chain of communication within the company, and that in turn produces an excellent crop, as you can see. The LandSkills program and the training that we use LandSkills for have enabled us to empower our staff to make baseline decisions, and they can make decisions at point of crop that improve our efficiencies, which help the product right away from production through to sale.
So efficiencies of production and good management control have been absolutely paramount. To produce quality product in the winter is difficult and requires huge amounts of management skills. And this is both technical and organisational. And we've worked with Humber VHB closely to provide these skills for their staff.
The LandSkills training that we use is very good for us because it's very hands-on. It enables our staff to get a very good understanding of how to do and what to do, as LandSkills has a lot of past history within that sector. So the information that they're giving down will cover very broadly, but also very defined areas. So it's very beneficial to us to use them.
Working with multiples, companies like Humber VHB require the ultimate in business efficiency and organisational skills. And we are able to produce, using the LandSkills funding, good quality courses geared particularly at Eastern European staff.
I started working here as a fruit picker. After 2 years, I became to be a team coordinator, supervisor. And from last year, 2009, I became to be harvest manager. I have quite lots of experience how to train people, how to get them with right speed. So sometimes they came in here without any trainings, they branch new people, so we need to give them enough training to making sure that they will be able to do the job properly.
We have been able to deliver training programs to make the team leaders, team coordinators within the Hall Hunter group understand the basics of the science behind growing within these glasshouse situations.
I went on the management training for 6 days, and there was also trainings about how to develop people, motivate them, how to get good instruction, how to instruct people, to making sure that we give them right information. And after that, I think those trainings, all of them, it's helped me really, really loads to do my job better. And now I'm on the stage when I have to a little bit more improve my knowledge about how to grow the plant, how we get right quality. Grow training helped me quite a lot to be able to do my job. That's how I'm doing now. I think I do my job good. When I walk into the lines, if I see something strange on the leaves, I have to know why it's happened, why is that, and that's why they will try and learn me a little bit more about that.
We also are providing pesticide application training, which has to be undertaken in English because the labels of any chemicals that are used are written in English. So the person who's applying any pesticides has to read that, be able to interpret it, to put the right amount of chemical over the right area, and that is quite exacting.
If people who really want to improve, it's a really good way to go for this training.